Long delaying, nor flees nor goes a lady from a lover when she knows he is a good servant, without straying, without error swaying, indeed in his face. For too long tarrying in lovers' folly's chase, and many a lover falls thereby to despair's embrace. For then a lady need fear no disgrace, once she sees love without feigning or betraying. Good lady with fair form, well standing beauty, draws you forth above the fairest, as in a court, and valor makes you worth above the best commanding. Much honor they're handing, so do their biddings race. Valor tells you do good at all time and pace, and love wants you to love, not as duty's case, but the truest one. Though he have lesser place, the less rich he, the more your grace he's fending. With good intent, that I guard your honor well, unbent as Frederick chose himself, without misgiving, without fears grieving. Wants to be emperor's grace, he put himself there for no man, so much weight. Even so I tell you, no man for me can aid, for nothing lady so loves you in true braid. Therefore I'm worth more to you than another's cleaving. Well, may a lady choose one so fine lover, without ill fame, her equal or a little more in name. Yet she errs not if she choose lower cover, if she sees valor hover, so the rank not weigh, for the lowliest thanks are ever and a day. More than the richer or equal, if he does pleasures play. For a lady should hold him more in sway, for in him she has more power and lordship's claim forever. Truly I swear, lady, and pledge and command, I love nothing so as you, whom I honor above all below. So I leave many fair pleasures from motherland. I do much folly, and yet you can well repay 100-fold or more if it please you, I say. And now it ought to please you, come what may. Why does it not please you, lady? I make known today that likewise you must do, whenever it come to hand. Lady Escamunda, your name means verily that you give clarity to the world, in truth's degree and amanda, pure from every ill deed's fee. Such are you plain as to the The rich name fits perfectly.